Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, today I have a very special unboxing. This time it's not of a product for review, but of course, guys, as you might be seeing from the logo on the box, this was something that was sent over from YouTube. Now, of course, guys, inside of here is, if you might have figured already from the title of this video, we've finally gotten the 100k silver plaque from YouTube. And first of all, thank you guys, as nothing like this would have been possible without you guys. Your support on the channel over the years has actually helped us to reach this point now where we have earned the silver award. All right, and that's for 100,000 subscribers. All right, so we are a little bit over 100,000 subs. I recently applied for the plaque and I was approved. And of course, I want to thank you guys. It's one of the best awards that I've ever received, and I promise to cherish it. Now, of course, I'll be looking at what it looks like in a minute, so you guys can stay tuned for this full unboxing. And of course, we have solved many tech problems, actually thousands and thousands of problems related to tech. We have also looked at, over the years, stuff like how to fix various devices, and it's all thanks to you guys. So give yourselves a round of applause and thank you again. And from here on out, it's here to 100 million subscribers. So as we have reached the 100,000, let us aim next for the 1 million subscribers. I never thought I'd have reached 100,000, but of course, thanks to you guys, we are now at 100,000 and counting. Alright guys, so I have the plaque right here, so I'm gonna open this up. Of course, I've never opened this up, I haven't seen it as yet, and I'm just gonna reveal this as you're seeing it. It's the first time I'm seeing it as well. And of course, we open the box. I like the box, it's very black. Alright, and of course, inside of here, we have this protective sponge right here, and I'm just gonna remove this, and there you go. And of course, it says here, YouTube, you have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. And of course, guys, I think this sums up everything perfectly in terms of what this award means. I like this paper, it's very thick. I'm going to keep this. In fact, I would actually frame this as well. And of course, I'll thank the YouTube team for their consideration in sending this over. And here is, without further ado, this is the plaque itself. And of course, here it is. This is the YouTube plaque. And of course, this thing is so beautiful. And I've seen this so many times, but of course I'm just seeing it now in real life in terms of having one for myself. And of course it shows right here, it gives the YouTube, it has this nice hardened, I'm not sure what material it is, but it does show YouTube in silver right there. And this is presented to Ricardo Gardner, and of course that's my YouTube channel, or of course Blog Tech Tips. I've actually added this. And of course it says for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And of course, guys, again, I just want to say thank you so much. This would not have been possible without you guys. And I just want to say, if I never say it again, I just want to say thanks for your support. Hope that my videos have helped you and they'll continue to help you going forward for the future. And of course, this is the back of the plaque. There's nothing around here. All right, so this is one beautiful plaque, and let me just remove this. The back is actually a velvet type material, and let me just allow you guys to have a better look at the plaque. All right, so thank you guys again, and as usual, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.